Hi and welcome to another Instrument Choice support video. In this video we'll show you what comes in the box with the Compass CX Portable Balance, the IC-CX221. The CX221 is an easy to use, practical and accurate portable balance that provides outstanding energy efficiency and battery life, offering 1,000 continuous hours of operation. This slim and stackable scale is perfect for use in laboratories, industrial, education and even in household settings. This model features 200 gram weight capacity, 0.1 gram readability, a stainless steel pan, stability indicator, mechanical and software overload and underload protection, and automatic shut-off to conserve battery life. In the box there's a quick start guide, the stainless steel 142 by 128mm platform cover, 3 AA batteries, and the CX series scale. Features of the scale include the weighing platform on the top. There are 2 buttons on the front, and key allows you to change the weighing unit, and pressing and holding this button enters the user menu. The 0 key, pressing and holding this button turns on and off the scale. This same button operates the 0 feature when the scale is on. In between the 2 buttons is the extra large LCD. On the back is the power port. The AC adapter for this unit is sold separately. And on the base is 4 rubber feet in the battery compartment. To get started with this unit, all you need to do is remove the plastic transportation protective insert, save the plastic insert to ensure safe transport in future, install the 3 included batteries into the battery compartment on the base of the unit, install the stainless steel pan, and switch the scale on using the power button. Pressing the gram button on the left will move you through the available units of measurement. The scale is ready for use. And that's what's in the box and how to get started on the OHaus Compass CX Portable Balance. For more information on this or other scales and balances at Instrument Choice, see the links below or contact an Instrument Choice scientist at customer-service@instrumentchoice.com.au. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.